Hey fam, welcome back. Big news today, we've officially integrated 3DNS and Namefi on Vision. Let's dive into how you can navigate these new domains and discover some handy tips to find the perfect domain name because yes, we're now rocking over 300 plus domain extensions of tokenized Web 2 domains on Vision. First up, head over to the market section via the top search bar. Once you're in, check out the filter on the left. Click on your desired protocol, for example 3DNS here, and all those domains will pop up. If you are looking for Namefi instead, just switch the filter to Namefi and you're all set. And here's another cool tip. If you're looking for specific domain extensions, use the TLD filter. For example, let's say I will choose .box here to see all domains ending with .box. It's that simple. Let's also try it for Namefi with the classic.com to find all domains ending in .com. And that's pretty much it. When you spot a domain you love, hit the buy now button or send an offer, it's all at your fingertips. Also, go ahead and type your desired domain name into our top search bar. You'll instantly see a variety of suggestions with different domain extensions right there. It's a quick way to explore your options. Hope this quick guide helps you navigate our new features. Enjoy finding your next tokenized domain on Vision.